Online, am I audible? Voice. అర్థం కదా ఉండని Online, am I audible?
This meeting is being recorded.
Yes. Good. Nice. Good evening, everyone. Good. How are you all? Nice. Let's see what we have discussed in previous classes. I don't know why still most people were not there here also, but still we will go with it. We are actually in the edge of nice journey. Till now, you guys understood one of two most important and crucial topics of CSS. One is Fluxbox, another one is grid. Now, next ones, if you concentrate on it, it will become better developer in CSS. But these two are the basic. Okay. There are some another basics like box model and box model also, you know. Last one is media queries is very important actually. But still, I'm gonna repeat it one more time. What is grid? And then we are gonna see what are the designs you guys performed. Now, grid is used to arrange the elements in two-dimensional or two-directional values, rows and columns. And if you wanted to give, always grid will be given for parent, which is grid container. Grid container. And grid container will have display grid, grid template columns, grid template rows, grid template areas, which is like shortcut for rows by columns, justify content, align items, align content, gap. You can even use row gap and column gap separately. Sir, when do we learn exactly? You will learn exactly when you try it. This is the most important fact. Imagine if I explained you grid and you think you understand without trying it, it won't be useful. But when you try it, na, you will learn something more, which is not taught by me, which is self-taught. I explained you yesterday also, same analogy. The problem with most of the YouTube or any other cultures nowadays, they will not teach you the right things. They will stop the learning curve. Have you guys ever thought of this? Imagine calculators were not invented. Humans has to type it, humans has to do every calculation. But still, just because calculator invented, if we stop thinking, it would be too much bad. But I'm 100% sure in the next 2-3 years, there will be very less number of people who will know actual code. Why? Because AI will do that 90% of the times. So at that time, what will happen? People who do actual code will get higher demand, higher kind of appreciation. Once upon a time, people will not care much about writers or people will not care much about painters and all. Because it's in a basic one. Every household, one painter used to be there. Now, painters are kind of, they were treated something great. Not the normal painters, but the highly ones. In future, developer will be because quality development will be there. I want you to think in a creative sense. so that you can, there are more than 7 crores websites in the world. And which one you will make? You should make something beautiful and realistic. Now, let me start with it the same way. For individual items, you can use grid row start, grid row end, and for columns, you can use grid column start and grid column end. You can even use orders, justify self, align self. We even played one game, sir, and the game name is Grid Garden. Did you all remember, ma? There are some another games like Grid Adventure. You can use a game called Grid Adventure. If you remember Flux Adventure also we tried. Did you remember one Flux Adventure we tried? Similarly, Grid Adventure. Go for this. Try to do this kind of Grid Adventure. Okay. Try this Grid Adventure where you will go one grid by another grid. Online, is it clear, ma? Now, yesterday, so many people responded nice in this class, and we did completed one project also. I want you to do it. I did one photo frame, and I asked you also do one photo frame. Is there anyone who created photo frame? Did you all tried it, ma? Give me the link, sir. Offline, anyone have the link? Can you? Daddy. D. LHI. Delhi? You mean Delhi? Sorry. Delhi? Place. Places or place? Dot netlify dot app. Looking really beautiful, actually. Okay, this was way better than mine, actually. Grid structure. This one is kind of complex also. Good for a try, actually. Nice one. Delhi places. All fit nicely. Background is looking good. Okay, perfect. Delhi place dot netlify dot app. Very good. Next. Any other, sir? Any other? Sir? Bolo re, no one is there. Only online people, some people did online also. What about offline remaining people? Hmm? Sai 230 dot netlify dot app. Why people are shy Ray to show? Grid frames, this is really good. Perfect. Finally, someone with animes. I love this one Ray actually. I have watched all. One Punch Man is my favorite. Saitama. Waiting for season 3. Now, sir, images are in different dimensions. We gave image properties like object fit cover and object position center top. I have faced some images that are zoomed out and zoomed in. वो हो जाता. If you give it images properties such as, you will give different things. So you have to choose images such as according to this kind of logic. For example, say this. This guy's standing image is placed in that particular position only. He chose the standing images in that particular position. If imagine instead of standing position, if you put another image in that, na, it won't fit. Are you getting my point? Na? Based on that, you should take it different images. You should not take images randomly, sir. Now, next. This is looking good actually. Kind of good frame. Next. See, two are creative, sir. Online will see Ramya Sri, something memories of life. Okay. It's some kind of personal one. Okay. But good. Only one thing is off to me. You know what? Can anyone guess what is kind of not good? Background is repeating. Can you see that? You can put it background as something full instead of repeating, but still it's looking good, kind of plain and simple. Good. Grid frame puppies. Looking cute, right? And where did you collected these all images? It's looking really good. Nice. It's a simple grid actually. Direct simple. Is it image? No. Each one is separate only. Parent ka see dekho. Parent is having actually really good logic. Good. Next. Someone named Tulasi, they gave it, you gave directly your Netflix configuration. I will not get it. Okay. Someone put Dhoni one, but it's not accurate. Dekho. It should be something like this, na? Gap is more. I will try to fit the gap. We should not do something like that to Dhoni. He will feel bad. Go here inside parent gap. Kind of better, but not great actually. Still. Background image is also, if you see background image is kind of dominating this. Oh, this guy image only then. Background image is separating this. Transparent it is becoming. Background, if you put some white na, it will look good. Nice. Any other, sir? Different birds in one frame. Arey, yesterday I tried this na. Yesterday I changed it na. Now they put names also. Instead of names, yesterday I tried to put it exactly in fit only. You can try it. Exactly yesterday it fit to frame, sir. You can try it. It will fit. Go here. Mhm. Mm, still, problem is now, see, yesterday I tried to apply it directly to images, but now they put it one figure tag. Inside the figure tag, they put this. So that figure tag has to be changed again. That is the problem. Else it would be good only. They are not exactly fitting it. And that too, see, some are so big. If they are that much big now, it will not fit. It won't look good also in fitting. Online, any other, sir? Online, any other? Offline, any other persons? Sir? BRS. BRS 12 dot netlify 123. Power Rangers. Power Rangers. Finally. After a long time, I have seen these people. Why, Ray? Let me adjust this. This can be a dream project actually. Build one nice website, which will have only Power Rangers. People will love it. There will be so many people who will love to pay even for OTT full of Power Rangers. Now go here. I love your project, man. Let me give it some nice target on my own. Grid template rows. Repeat 3 comma 1 FR. You know what is the problem you did? You did 23.5% comma 3 na reverse it see 3 comma 23.5%. Then अच्छा से work हो जाता वो. These are also big. Something you did some small mistake, but else remaining all are looking good. Nice. They are something samurai, na? They are samurai, Power Ranger samurai. Good. Any other, sir? Haha. Good students, Ray. Now, online total 128 people are there. Offline some 50 people are there. Now, bolo everyone. Did you all paid the fee, ma? Did you all paid the fee? Very good. Did you all did this frame, ma? No. Then, acha, dekho, you paid the fee. You came to the class. You understand the class, but you did not practice the class. तो क्या होता मालूम? देखो, getting job is very easy. If you really try na, within 1 month you will get the job. 100% you will get. But keeping job is difficult. You know that? I have seen this many freshers who will get fired within 1 month only. Who will just leave job within 10 days only. You know why? Because freshers cannot able to do work. To do 1 hour sit concentrate, they will take so many breaks. Concentration is actually lacking in the people. That is why I'm giving every day some chota tasks. And if you don't do it now, in future it will be difficult for you. 2 days back we discussed flux. Again, last 2 days we discussed grid. Today we will discuss another thing. After some 5 days, you know what will happen? I will do one big project which will contain all of this flux, grid, all. Then at that day, your mind will blast. Why? Because you did not practice some things which will bombard it. Are you all getting my point, sir? So please start practicing it. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear, ma? Yeah. In case if you get any doubt, let me know. Does anyone have doubt in the grid, ma? Does anyone have any question in the grid? No. Let's discuss more. Okay. In case if you get it any grid out also, while doing any project, tell me. If you started to do one project now, try to do something good like this all projects. All designs today showed are so good. Now you also try something similar. Okay, so that you will understand it easily. Now, sir, take this website. In this website, 3 by 3 is there na? See, three columns are coming na? Here, are they arranged in rows or columns, sir? Can you tell exactly rows or columns? No, because they are arranged in grid. Grid is used to arrange the elements in rows and columns both, two-dimensional. And how do you do that? You will take a parent element. We did a project actually. We did 2 grid projects. You go to CSS, go to projects, go to grid frame, go here, index.html, and this is the project I did. This is the project I did. I put some background frame instead of this silly logic. If I delete and put some background image, now if I do this kind of logic na gradient, automatically you can able to see some kind of frame. So what I'm trying to do is here, when you do any kind of this grid here, total everything, where is this? See this. Now see this one. The frame is there. Now see this one. I will tell you my strategy one by one. If you see it, ma, from starting onwards, I have did in front of you only. Now, sir, in body, only one div is there, sir. Right or not? In body, only one div is there. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me how do you place this div in center of the page? How do you place this div in center of the page? Display flux. Display flux. Justify content. Center. Align items. Center. To which element you will give? Parent. Who is parent of this div? Who is the parent of this div? Body. Who is the parent of this div? बराबर. When you give body this display flux, justify content center, align item center, वो body में अंदर exactly center में आ जाता. If you give height 100 VH, it's perfect. Now after this na, I will do some height. I will give some height for this, some width for this. And I'm creating here inside some boxes. Inside I'm creating some boxes. If I put it here, each box. Now can you see? Total, I created so many boxes inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total, how many boxes I created, ma? 9 boxes. How many? 9. Sir, how do you arrange these 9 boxes? Like this, rows and columns. How do you arrange all this in rows and columns, sir? Parent is grid. Parent is grid. Barabar. And after grid, how many columns I created? Anyone tell me? How many columns I created? How many columns? 4. Column lines showed though. How many columns? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. बराबर. 4 column आ जाता. But after that, I will take first element. First element will go from column number 1 line, column line 1 to column line 4. Again, this guy will be in row number 2 line 2, row number 3, 4, 5. Like this, you will define each one what row it is starting, what row it is ending, what column line it is starting, what column line it is ending. If you do this, you will get it, na? I don't know whether you remember it or not. First thing yesterday, what I did is first I created the frame. Then I adjusted empty spaces. After I adjusted the frame and empty spaces, then I put images inside it. Then I tried to adjust the images. But you know how the freshers will do? Freshers will be like, first I will put this, then I will add this, then I will add, you know, this. It will never work if you do that. Are you getting my point, sir? This project we did it in just 20 minutes, which will not take more than that time. Because I'm explaining it, it will take that much time. It won't take more than 5 minutes to me. And if you practice, it won't take you more than 5 minutes to you also. Is it clear, ma, online? Online is everyone clear with grid, ma? Just practice one time, ma. Okay. Now, next topic after grid. Next topic after grid. Today, you are going to understand simple topics. You are going to understand some small simple topics such as position. No, pseudo elements are there, na? We will discuss position and we will discuss pseudo elements. Positions and pseudo elements. First, we will discuss position. Position is a very simple topic. But sir, what is this position come? Few days back, one of the person in this class asked me, sir, in Figma, I can put designs wherever I want. Can I put it whatever? For example, I took one triangle shape. I want to put that triangle shape wherever I want in my design, in my website. Can I put it like that? Yes. You go and see some websites. Go to some website. Like, let's go to website like nareshit.com. I forgot to put a H. If I go to nareshit.com, now I will just go on. Can you see when I'm going on? Can you see when I'm going on? Header is coming to the top. Can you see that, sir? Sir, I am scrolling the page, right or not? I'm scrolling the page, right or not? But when I'm scrolling page, is header is moving, sir? No. See that WhatsApp, down WhatsApp guy is there. WhatsApp and one girl pic is there. Are they moving, sir? But wherever you put it should move, na? But it will not move. That means some elements I can keep it static. I can make them just to stay there. Some elements. Just to keep it there. Some elements. How to keep some elements exactly static, sir? Now, go here. If I go here, some websites, you go here, left side will be there and it will be exactly static. Right side content will move. In some websites now, header will be exactly there only. Okay. Let me show you practically. There is one website called Flipkart. You all know this. Flipkart. Flipkart. It's loading slowly. Why it is loading this much slower? Let me show it. In Flipkart, okay, maybe in incognito it's coming fast. Okay, let's go with this. Now, if I open any product, let's open now. Everyone observe carefully and tell me answer it. Left side printer is there, na? Everyone see this printer. Left side printer is there, na? Is it moving or not? Left side printer, is it moving or not? Moving, na? Now, dekho, initially it is moving. Initially it is moving. If you, some people are thinking, no, I don't know why. Dekho, initially image is here. Now, if you scroll it, na, it will go up. If you scroll it, na, can you see that? Now, initially it moved, na, but after certain time, now is it moving? Now is it moving? No, it is static now. Now dekho, again, after certain time, you see all the things. Now is it moving, sir? It looks interesting, now. Like one time it is initially moved, stop and moved. You see some website chatbot will be there. In some website, some kind of this sidebar. Here some sidebar elements will be there. Like different websites will keep it in a different logic, sir. I wanted to try this. This all are possible with one CSS option called position. What is it called, ma? Position. Now let's understand position slowly. Go here, position. Position. Position is used to keep an element, to keep an element, to keep an element at different points, at different places of screen, screen. There are five positions, five positions available in CSS. How many positions are available, ma? Five positions. There are total five positions available in CSS, sir. They are, they are first one, static. Second one, absolute. Third one, okay, for second one, write it as relative because relative is easy. Third one, absolute. Fourth one, static, relative, absolute. Fourth one, fixed. Fifth one, sticky. Sticky. Now, let's go here. First one, static. Static is the default position of every element. What is the default position of every element, ma? Static. What is the default position? Static. Static is the default position, sir. It will not have, it will not have any impact, any impact of top, left, right, or bottom. If I give top, will it move? No. If I give bottom, will it move? No. If I give left, no. It will give right? No. It will not at all move, sir. You cannot use it any kind of logic on static position. Static is a dummy position actually. Just because you place it static, you cannot do anything on that. Now, imagine I go here, I created one box. Go to code, position. Sir, for everything we do one notes and we do also one file in code. Always check those things, compare. Now, index.html, style.css. Go to index.html, exclamation enter, link CSS. And here, div hash box, go live. Sir, I have one div. What is the ID of div, sir? Box. So I will go to CSS ma. In CSS, hash box. I'm giving height 100 pixel, width 100 pixel, background color red. Any doubts? Any doubts in this? Simple na? Now, sir, did I give any position on this? Did I write any position, sir? No. What is the default position it will take? What is the default position, sir? Static. Sir, I am writing it here, top 200 pixel. I'm top 200 pixel बोले तो टॉप से 200 पिक्सल मूव, टॉप से मूव करे तो नीचे आता, टॉप 200 पिक्सल बोले तो ऊपर 200 पिक्सल गैप आता, तो वो नीचे हो जाता. Is it coming नीचे, sir? Is it coming bottom? No, na? It's not coming. Why? Because when you say default static, it will not have any impact. Whether you give top, left, right, bottom, kuch bhi, it will not move. It will stay exactly how it is there. Is it clear? Is it clear till now? It is a dummy one actually, static one. Now let's give actual ones. First one, the second one, which is important. Relative. Relative, relative moves the element based on its previous place. It applies top, bottom, left, and right. Is it done? Done, sir? Now, think it like a person, sir. Until you understand, until you are end of this particular position topic, think this box as a person. Now, this box as a person. Now, if I said this person to move left side 100 pixel, this person will move 100 pixels, sir. Right or not? If I say top 200 pixel, already from top 100 pixel, so no, top 200 pixel from this position where he is here. From this here 200 pixel, he will move down, sir. In childhood, you played this game, na? Did you ever played this game? Imagine one route is there. Now one guy is there. Can you tell him how to reach his home, sir? Right? What is the first direction he will go, sir? Right. But to say right, instead of saying right, na, in CSS what we will do, we will give left 100 pixel or left something. तो left side gap आ जाती तो वो right हो जाता. Left side gap. Now, if I give top 200 pixel, will it give top from here or will it start from here? Start from the his place, right or not? Sir, if someone said it to you, move 100 pixel before, that means you will move 100 pixel from your place. You will not move 100 pixel from starting, right or not? So this guy, if I say move bottom or top some 100 pixel, he will move from here. He will not be like, no, no, my top is this. I should come like this. No. And this is called relative. What is it called? Relative. Now in relative, what will happen? If I take this box, if I give this box position relative, relative. Now, if I say, left 200 pixel, what happens, sir? Left से 200 pixel दूर हो गया. Left side gap is how much, sir, now? Next, top. Sorry, 100 pixel. Now, ऊपर से how much, sir? 200, 100. कोई डाउट है, सर? ऑनलाइन एनी डाउट्स मा? You can give only one time. Sir, can I move from here again left? नहीं, वो नहीं possible रहता. Previous किधर है? इधर. इधर से left 100, 200 बराबर. High, top 100 बराबर. So it's checking it from previous position. And that is called relative. Now, imagine there is one more box. Just a minute. Just a minute. Good. Now, see this, sir. Sir, online someone give it in a good logic. If we give left, it will go right. Why? Because left side gap is come. Right. If we give right, it will come left. Simple logic. Now, sir, let me do it more interesting logic. Class box. One, two. I'm creating two boxes now. Dot karo. Font size 8 pixel. Color white. Now everyone see this. Two boxes are there. Two boxes are there. Margin top and bottom some 5 pixel, left and right 0 pixel. Now two boxes are there. Any doubts in this basic? No. Now I will take only box number 2. I will take only box 2. Box 2. And for this box 2, sir, I will give position relative. Position relative. Relative bole to it will move from its previous position. Now, where is this element? Here. Where is this element? Here. Now, sir, can we, if I give top, 100 pixel, where it will go? Now, already this one top 100 pixel, right? Now, if I write it here, this box top 100 pixel, will it move 100 pixel here or will it stay it like no, already I'm having top 100 pixel? It will move or not, sir? It will move. Why? Because it will check from previous ka position. Okay. Dekho. Relative. Now here top ऊपर से 100 pixel बराबर. कोई doubt है? This is the logic of relative. Sir, what does it mean by absolute then? Relative will compare from previous position, but absolute compares from the body or parent. Now here main body is important for absolute. If I say position absolute, the moment you say position absolute, it will dedicate for the body now. Now if you say it like top 100 pixel, this guy will not think it like I should move from 100 pixel from my position. It will think it like 100 pixel from starting. Now, so go here. Now, let's go here. If I go here, if I say to say, let me give you simple example. Relative. Imagine I said it relative bottom 0. Relative bottom 0. What will happen, sir? What is this? Box 2, bottom 0. Why first one left? Two elements are there, na? Hmm? Okay, bottom 100 pixel. I should go with bottom 0. Yeah. And right, because from bottom it went up 100 pixel, na? Right 0. Now go here. Body height 100 VH. Now, sir, I said bottom 0 pixel move karo. Right 0 pixel move karo. Will it move, sir? Imagine I said to you, move 0 pixel. Will you move? कुछ भी नहीं है. But if I say, instead of relative, if I say absolute, move bottom 0, right 0, can you see where is that element now? Can you see where is that element now? Last. Why? Because it will consider now body. When you say bottom 0, it will not think like, no, I have to move 0 pixel. No, it will think it like I should go 0 of body bottom. Body ka bottom 0. Perfect. Then right side 0. 0. And this is how chatbots will be placed. Actually. Online, is it clear, ma? One more time. One person, if one person is here, this guy will move from his place. That is called relative. Imagine this guy moves according to body, according to the body. And that guy is absolute. What is it called? Absolute. Now think of this. Can anyone tell me if I give absolute top 0? Anyone guess what will happen if I give top 0? Where is box number 1? Anyone guess here where is box number 1? Where is box number 1? Backside. It was hidden, it overlapped. Why? Because 2 ka aim is simple. 2 is like, I will go 0 pixel to the top. But when it goes to 0 pixel, already one element is there, na? It will not care for that. Let's go. Or, sir, left side 0, sir. It will go exactly left side also 0, sir. Dekho? Or, what if, sir, top right 0? It's not like only corners. It can move anywhere. Sir, what if you say left 50 percentage? Left 50 percentage. Now where it is there? Exactly 50 percentage from left side, na? Sir, for self-aligning, we use alignment. Based on the parent, we use absolute. Based on body, we use absolute, not parent, actually. Based on body, we will use absolute. For self-aligning, we will use something called a relative. Can anyone guess how to keep this box here? Can anyone guess how to keep that box here? Huh? First write 0, barabar. Right? So it's right 0. Then what do you want? Right 0. Then next top. You can give sir top 50% or bottom 50%. Donam same hai. It will exactly meet actually. I will give instead of 50%, I will go with 50 VH. Same logic actually. Total is 100 VH, no? Yeah. Huh? Huh. Actually, using position, you can make an element exactly center. To keep an element in center, you have 5 ways: grid, margin, position, flux, and translate, which we will come in later. Transform. You can put it in any way. Okay. But flux and grid are the mostly used ones. Now, any doubts here? Now, sir, what is the problem then? Now let's increase our code more bigger. Let's make our program more bigger. 3, 4, 5. Now if you observe, all are going outside. Only second one is going outside because second one is now not working for parent. Second one is working for the body. Now, this is absolute. Okay, absolute is also easy. Now, if I go here, each box height 400 pixel, border 1 pixel, solid white. Only for the box 2, I will give height as 100 pixel. Can you see total 5 boxes are there, na? This box 2 is shorter one, remaining all are bada ones. Now when I'm scrolling, is it scrolling or not? Sir, is it scrolling or not, sir? It is scrolling, sir. When you give absolute, element you can keep wherever you want. You can keep literally wherever you want, but it will scroll. It will, but if you go here and if you write it here, same property, if you write fixed is also working for body. Fixed is nothing but absolute only. Fixed is nothing but absolute only, but it will not scroll. Fixed, now when I give fixed, anything happens sir here? Dekho, any change happen? Still it is according to body only na? But difference kya hai? Moving. Is it moving, sir? No, it is static. It's fixed. If I give here right 0, bottom 0, if I give 0, right 0, bottom 0, it will be in the corner. Border radius 50 percentage. Now you can see it. This is how chatbots works. And it will not scroll. If you remember the same thing which we have tried in the narrative website. Online, is it clear, ma? Just think it in a real-time scenario, sir. First one, static. उसका use नहीं है. Second one, relative. Relative बोले तो whatever the place it is there, from that place only it will move. Third one, absolute. It will move according to body so that I can place wherever I want. But problem is, it is scrolling. Fourth one is fixed. What is fixed will do? Fixed will stop. It will not scroll. But strange thing is there. If you see Flipkart one, in Flipkart, I showed one example. In Flipkart one, what happened? Initially it scrolled and again it stopped. Sir, if it is starting, if from starting onwards, if it is fixed, check it in narrative website. If I go here, if I showed it here in narrative website, na, from starting onwards, the chatbots are same. They are staying in the same place. See, they are staying in the same place actually from starting onwards. They will not move. That is called fixed. What is it called? But ये देखो, ये printer देखो. First time printer is moving थोड़ा, देखो, थोड़ा. But after it reaches certain time na, stopped. Now again after certain time again it moved. Right or not? And this is called sticky. What is it called? Sticky is nothing but combination of relative and fixed. Sticky will not go for body. Sticky will go for its position only. But sticky can become like a fixed. Sticky is nothing but combination of relative plus fixed. Now how to do that? Now you go here. Box number 3, I will take. Box number 3, I will take. Only box number 3, I will make it here. Box number 3, height 100 pixel, background color green, just to show you separate. Now can you see that only box number 3 is separate, sir? Now everyone see this. Is it scrolling or not? Box 3, is it scrolling or not, ma? See, it's going na? Now dekho, if I write it here, position, sticky, top 20%. I am saying it, तुम्हारा position sticky है. When you reach top 20, now it is not top 20 na? So it will move आराम से. Whenever it reaches top ka 20, see it reached top 20% now. Is it moving now? Now, again after certain time it will move. Can you see this? Exactly until certain length. How much, sir? Exactly how much its width is, its height. It will not. After that again it will move. And this is called sticky, sir. Using these things actually you can create it nice interactive pages. People create most of the 3D effects using this fixed sticky only. Okay. Absolute is also so powerful. One more time, sticky. If I give here top 0%, now you go here. It's moving na? Now it moved. It reached 0 na? Now it will not move. Dekho. Is it moving, sir? No. There are total 5 positions are available. First one, static, which is basically useless. It will not have, by default, every element will have static. It will not take top, left, right, bottom. But relative will take top, left, right, bottom, but it will move from previous position. If I use something like absolute, na, absolute will use it something, based on body, based on the body. If I use something like fixed, but absolute will not move, absolute will not stop, it will scroll. To stop it, we will use fixed, but fixed is always fixed. To make it move, we will use sticky. Let's write it all of them and let's do a chota task so that you will get a better idea. Relative moves the element based on its previous positions, top, left, right, bottom. Third one, absolute. Absolute moves the elements. Can we give negative values? Actually, you can give negative values. Okay. You can give negative elements also. It works. Now, absolute moves the element based on body. It applies top, left, right, bottom as of body. As of body. Next one. Static, relative, absolute, fixed. The problem with absolute is it will scroll with page, but fixed is nothing but absolute without any impact of scrolling. Next, last but not least, sticky. Sticky is used to create element with relative and fixed properties. It becomes fixed after specific specific point. Sir, online any doubts? No. Good. Now, if you see in real time, we will use some kind of navigation menus. We will use some kind of, uh, you know, uh, it's like, how can we go with that? There are some elements like mega menus. Have you ever seen this kind of menus? Mega menus are like this. Like one menu will be there, like for example, electronics. If something arrow will be there, if you put your mouse over that arrow, you will get it something elements. Okay. That kind of element, that kind of menus are actually uses something called, position. Not only that, you can using position, you can keep an element wherever you wanted. But in future, we will create it using the position, that kind of logics. Okay. For that, we need to know few more, which is like pseudo element, pseudo classes. Once we learn that also, we will combine the both. Okay. But till now, is it clear, everyone? Yeah. Now, let's do this one. Let's make this one at least look nice. This 5 boxes. I want to keep five boxes in 5 corners. One, two, three. Third one here. fourth one here, and exactly in center one. I want to keep 5 boxes, 5 circles, each one in different points. Okay, ma? Yeah. Now go here. Whatever I did now, I am commenting it. Okay? So that you can use it later. Now, next. Go here. Box 1, box 3, box 4, box 5. Position is used only child element. Position is individual. There is no parent, there is no child here. Position is individual. If you see, there is no parent only. Directly body के अंदर 5 elements है. If you consider body is a parent, okay? In flux and grid, they have containers, but position is individual. Any element can go with in any way. Now, let's go here. 5 elements are there. Body, height 100 BH. Each element, dot box. Each element will have height 100 pixel, width 100 pixel, margin auto. No need of margin auto. Display flux, display content center, align item center. Sir, why you are doing it? I inside every box that numbers are there now 1, 2, 3. I want them center of the box. To keep these numbers in center of the box, I did that. Each number का background color चाहिए. Border 1 pixel, solid, something like red. And here, mhm. Now they are exactly center. Now let's go here. This one also I will use. Display flux, justify content center, align item center. All elements are in center of the box. Box number 1. Position, absolute. Can you see box number 1 now? Clearly see where is box number 1. Center. Why? Because now the moment you say absolute na, it is working for body. Body is telling it like I am flux, everything go in center. So it is actually thinking it like I can go center. So it is separating from the group, sir. The basically absolute. Okay. Now if these elements are having a background now, you can't even see that one. Okay. So always absolute will make that elements back. Now imagine what if, sir, you gave absolute to every element. Anyone guess? What if all elements become absolute? One element will be backside of another element, backside of another element. Now only the last element will be there. Now, if I give some background color, font size, Are you getting my point, sir? Okay, you can do so many things like that. Next, if I go here, sir, you can use one property called z index. Z index bole to, if two, now here 5 elements are fighting for one position, na, right? Whichever element is having more Z index, na, that element will win. Actually, every element will have Z index 1. Now, imagine box number 1 is having more Z index than all people. Box number 1 is having Z index 100, na? Automatically, box number 1 only will win out of all people. But suddenly the box number 2 come and says it like, I will have Z index 101. So box number 2 actually, win against the box number 1. So obviously it will be top. But don't get confused when you see this kind of advanced actually, Z index or not. Don't get confused in those things. Now, anyway, our project is not this. Project is Z index here, position, absolute, top, 0. Automatically it will go to the top 0, left 0, out. Doubt, sir? No. Same thing. One more time, someone asked me why again each element went behind another element. Because if two elements are there, normally elements will be in this, na? Why? Because they know what they are working for. But when you say absolute, the moment you said absolute, it is forgetting its position. It will think it is working for body. But you said go to body center. So it's going body center. But this element is already in center. So it will go back. Are you getting? Another element is there. For this element also absolute. Now this absolute also, that means it is going body. Body is saying going center. It's not a rule like every time body goes center only, na? I gave it. Is it clear, ma? Earlier example, when I explained absolute, I did not put them one back another. But now it came. Is this clear, sir? Okay. Now box number 2. Now here box number 2. Imagine I gave box number 2 also top 0 ray. Left 0. Abhi bolo. Box number 1 and 2 both are fighting for same position, na? Right or not? Now you go here. Now, if you see it here, where is box number 1? Backside. Barabar. Because they are fighting for same element, they have to go back. Okay. The last one will win. Or which one have more Z index, that one will win. Is this clear? Now, go here. Top 0, right 0. What it will do, sir, right 0 bole to? Then again, box number 4. Top, no, no, no. Sorry. Sir, it is also important. Some people may be observed this. I will give either top left, top right, or bottom left, bottom right. You cannot give left and right. That is logically silly. Why? Because see, imagine someone said to you, move top 100 pixel, left 100 pixel. Acha hai. But even someone said it like, move top 100 pixel, bottom 100 pixel. he will not move basically. You can't play the to and fro. Left and right you should not give, top and bottom you should not give. Either top left, top right, or bottom left, bottom right. That only makes it logical here. Now here, bottom 0, left 0. Now bottom bottom 0, right 0. Now you go here. Make it all border radius 50%. Any doubts, ma? When you learn animation, you can move them actually. Okay. Online, any doubts here? No, no. Tomorrow we are going to do pseudo elements and pseudo classes. Okay. For today's task, to the people who have not completed flux and grid, try that. To the people who already completed flux and grid, I will give one logic in front end mentor. Did you remember there is one website called front end mentor, ma? Go to the website named front end mentor. I will give you one small challenge. Front end mentor. Which one I can give? No, this one is premium. Free. Why free ones are not there? Level 1 free I want. Let me go here. Filter free newbie. Now easy. Do this page, sir. It's a simple flux box. This hurdle page. See, to the people who thought we can do it in the similar task, you can do it this. If you want it any new thing on your own, this one you can make it your own creatively also. Something a simple page, you can make it creative your own also. But this one, if you wanted a reference, I'm giving it. Okay. You go to front end mentor and just check it on this one. You will get it. In case you did not find it, you do any front end mentor free project, I will be okay with it. But do one front end mentor and upload it in front end mentor. After you did you can submit it. Upload to Netlify and you can give that Netlify link to front end mentor. It will work. Is this clear, sir? Is this clear, everyone? Are you all following this platforms, Medium, Dev.to, or Hashnode. Okay. Read articles daily. Those things will help you. In LinkedIn, try to post LinkedIn. If you do shorter thing, also post it in LinkedIn. That way you will get so many activities, and believe me, your course will take another 30 days. Okay. Mostly by end of the February, your course will be done. So before that, if you really post every day in LinkedIn, by that time you will have 30 to 35 posts in LinkedIn. And it will give you, imagine if your post is getting at least 20 people like, you will get the job immediately. Why? Because if 20 people are liking, at least 40 people will share it. Okay. Sharing count will be more. And automatically, if you write a post like you are looking for a job, you will get it more reach in LinkedIn. So try to build your LinkedIn profile every day. Try to post it. Read something and type something. Is this clear, man? Every day do it. Like how you are posting in your Snap story or Insta story. Do it something in LinkedIn. Is this clear, man? Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you all.